Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Wix site. First, navigate to the Wix website and sign up for a free account. You will then select a template from hundreds of professionally designed options, or choose to start from scratch. This initial choice sets the foundation for your site's appearance and functionality, guiding you through the first few steps of your creative journey. Once your template is chosen, dive into the Wix editor. This powerful tool allows you to drag and drop any element precisely where you want it. You can easily change colors, fonts, and backgrounds to reflect your unique style. Experiment with different layouts and add engaging media to make your site truly stand out and capture visitor attention. Now it's time to populate your site with engaging content. Upload your best images and craft clear, concise text for each page. Explore the Wix App Market, which offers hundreds of applications to extend your site's functionality, from booking systems to social media feeds. Adding these features can significantly enhance user experience and provide valuable services. Before going live, thoroughly preview your site on both desktop and mobile to ensure everything looks perfect. Connect your custom domain name to establish a professional online presence. Finally, adjust your basic SEO settings, including page titles and descriptions, to help search engines find your site. With these steps, your Wix site will be ready for the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.